Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by turning heat on and gathering ingredients so you can move without stopping. First, cut 2 cups of day-old bread into chunks and pulse briefly in a food processor. This creates even crumbs quickly. Once done, mix in 1/2 cup chopped nuts or fresh herbs for texture and flavor, plus 1 teaspoon salt to season. You want coarse crumbs now, not dust, because that texture determines crispness and binding later. You need to convert raw crumbs into stable, flavorful crumbs by toasting. Transfer the coarse crumbs to a baking sheet and spread into a single layer. If using a skillet, toast over medium heat. Stir every few minutes to brown evenly and watch for a golden color. This preserves nuttiness and prevents bitterness. Make sure to reserve 1-2 tablespoons of olive oil or melted butter if you want moist crumbs later. Once toasted, cool fully so they crisp up and store better. You finish by cooling crumbs completely to avoid condensation in storage, and then pulse briefly to reach the fineness you need for coating or topping. Once done, seal in an airtight jar and label with the date. Room temperature storage is fine for 2 weeks, or freeze for up to 3 months for longer life. If you find crumbs become soggy, respread them and retoast at 150 degrees C for 5 to 7 minutes to dry them. This fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.